Okay, now we are in Chapter 3 on Pause and Practice 3-1, and this assignment starts on page 139. And in this, you are going to start learning how to create charts. Charts illustrate worksheet data and make it clearer and easier to understand. For this project, you insert a clustered column chart object in a worksheet that tracks sales and expenses for Paradise Lakes Resort. You also insert a clustered bar chart sheet to highlight second quarter results. So for this one, you need the file named Paradise Lakes-03, which you should have in your student data files. I've already opened it and I have saved it as my initials, PP space E3-1, and now I am on step 3, and I'm going to create a chart object. So first we select the cell range A4 to D8 for the chart. So A4 to D8. And click the Quick Analysis button, which is right here. So we click that, and we click on the Charts tab, and click on Clustered Column, which is right here. Columns go up and down. This one over here is clustered row, so we want clustered column. Click on that. It creates the chart based on the data that we provided. So now we're going to position and size the chart object. That's this. If it's not already selected, click on it, and then you should have the four arrow pointer. That's the move pointer, and we're going to drag the object so its top left corner is at cell C20. So that's down here, and C. So that's column C, row 20. So it's right here. Okay, now we point to the lower right selection handle, which is here, and it gives us a resize pointer, and we drag that pointer to reach cell H35. So H35, which is down here, 35, column H, row 35, release it. All right, now we're going to apply a quick layout. So click on it if you need to, and then go up here to the Chart Tools tab, which is in the Chart Tools Design tab, Chart Layouts, right here. And we click on Layout 7. So there's 3 across, so that's 3, 6, this should be 7. It comes up Layout 7, click on it, and it looks like this. All right, now we're going to create a chart sheet. So go back up, select A4 to A8, A4 to A8, hold down Control, and select E4 to G8, E4 to G8. Okay, so now we have 2 areas selected, and we're going to click up here on the Recommended Charts button and the Insert tab. So go to the Insert tab, Charts Group, here, Recommended Charts, click on that, and we're going to choose the clustered bar, which is displayed here, and click OK. And then we're going to move the chart. So we go on the Chart Tools Design tab here, Location Group here, click on that, click the New Sheet Radio button, which is here, New Sheet, and we're going to name it Quarter 3. So, and then click OK. It creates the new worksheet right here, Quarter 3. and make sure it's in the right place. So it's before the location 1 Cass Lake. All right, so click on quarter 3 if it's not already selected. Then we go to Chart Styles More, which is here. And we're going to select Style 10, which if you hover over them, they come up. That's 11, so this should be 10, 10. Okay. All right, so now we're going to preview the charts. We're on the quarter 3 sheet. Click the File tab to open the Backstage view. Click Print on the left to preview the chart sheet. That's here. And then click the back button to return to the worksheet. Select the location 1 Cass Lake sheet. Click on A1. Click the File tab to open the Backstage view. Click on Print to preview. Okay. And again, click the back button. This is just an exercise in locating it all. And then that's it. Save. And you can close out of this file.